Stop by and take a look at the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control. Come see the car for yourself.